Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. You'll be shocked what is going on with Lagos Assembly. Lagos Assembly has been shut down. Okay, all the offices closed amidst the crisis going on, and they've ordered all the staffs to go home and to work from home. Shiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu said he's got it together, but sweetheart, we don't think very much like he has gotten it together. The former speaker, or do we say the present speaker, because he presided over preliminaries in the House on Friday with just 4 lawmakers, and he said, you know what, I can't be bothered if other lawmakers refuse to come around. So this is what is going on. He presided over just 4 persons and said whatever goes on, whatever happens, he is very assured that he is the speaker and has threatened Tinubu. He said if they remove him, if he's going to leave as the speaker, is either Sanwo-Olu leave as governor, or the present woman, Sanwo-Olu or the present woman, or the stakes are high. Okay, he really set the bar high in terms of Tinubu choices for him to remain or to be removed as the speaker. Guess what? He's back. He's back up in the show. And this is exactly what is going on now. As we speak, people are wondering what the next lines of actions will be and what this guy has against Tinubu, why Tinubu cannot deal with him. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. The leadership crisis, which has caused tension among lawmakers, has raised concern over security within the National Assembly complex. The Lagos State House of Assembly has directed all staffs and legislative aides to work remotely indefinitely in a bid to prevent potential violent situation from ongoing leadership crisis within the assembly or putting anyone's life at risk. The directives was issued by the acting clerk of the House, Mr. Babatunde Otumba, through an internal memo on Sunday evening. The memo, titled Amendment to Remote Work Schedule Arrangement, officially informed staff members of the henceforth directive to work from home. The leadership crisis, which has caused tension among lawmakers, has risen concerns. Legislative activities are expected to continue remotely, though it remains uncertain how long the directives will be for. The Lead Nigeria reports that the crisis erupted in January when lawmakers busted the Speaker, Obasa, and former clerk, Olalekan Onifekun. Obasa, former Deputy Mojisola, was named a new speaker. Tension escalated on February the 17th when DSS operatives sealed off the assembly complex, blocking the planned preliminary section. Despite the lockdown, lawmakers forced their way into the chamber, convened a section, and adjourned indefinitely, reaffirming their support for Mojisola Merenda. 3 assembly staff members now face trial for allegedly assaulting DSS operatives during the show-off. Obasa, rejecting his removal as unconstitutional, stormed the assembly complex on February the 27th with heavily armed security men allegedly breaking through the speaker's office. He resumed duty while his supporters gathered outside demanding his reinstatement. He has since filed a lawsuit against Merenda, the assembly, and 36 lawmakers challenging his outburst. The case is set for hearing at the Ikoyi court on Friday. Meanwhile, Lagos State Heads of Service Bode Arugo has acknowledged the leadership changes, urging staffs to support the new speaker, Merenda, and acting clerk. Otunba explained that the directives aims to ensure staff safety and maintain order. This measure is necessary pending the resolution of the leadership dispute, he said. All assembly staff, including those in the works in the complex law legislative aides, have been directed to work remotely until further notice. Nigerians are wondering what Obasa has on Tinubu, why Tinubu cannot direct his removal, since in the first place he instigated it and asked that he be removed. So when this guy was removed, immediately words went out. He told them that he cannot be removed. That if he's removed, Tinubu's guys will have to also leave position. One being the governor of the state, talking about the very governor, Babatunde Sanwo-Olu. He says Sanwo-Olu must be removed. Otherwise, he has a lot to say. He has a lot to say. It's becoming like a real statement, because even Tinubu himself does not seem very much to be able to do anything about this guy, okay? Unlike Tinubu that will give directives and it's as if it's a law, he's been very, very, very silent as a mouse, as the case may be. So that means somebody somewhere is absolutely, completely wrong or right, as, you know. So these are very, very potential issues, you know, staring us all in the face. And the truth of it is, until we begin to take measures and ensure that all the necessary supports are done properly, adequately, to ensure for transparency and sincerity, you know, those who have things to hide will continue to do everything humanly speaking possible to ensure that they remain. And they are the ones who are calling, okay, and they feel that they are the ones who give directives. Nigerians, we must continue to support only good cause that will move us forward as a nation. Enough is enough. We cannot allow the same people who have devastated the nation to continue to parade themselves as leaders. The leadership of this nation has suffered a great deal in the hands of those who you can call scumbags. And what they want to do is basically me, myself, and I. You know, there is no true leadership ability in their heart or intention to lead the people. They are just coming, all they want to do is what can I get? And what, you know, is all about the me, the me, myself, and I, you know, mentality. There is no true leadership structure tied to their, you know, to their vein in order to ensure, you know, that Nigerians move forward. So all of this can be stopped if Nigerians can work together as one people, one entity, in sincerity, ensuring that they do not allow themselves to be used. Because again and again, election will come, and this set of people will queue behind some, you know, once they are given some money or some food stuff or whatever the case may be, will queue behind certain people. So you wonder, are they really ready for a change? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Bye for now.